We're going to look at how you calculate the degrees of freedom. We can do this visually, or we can also use our calculator. So we've got a formula: degrees of freedom is equal to the rows minus 1 multiplied by the columns minus 1. Keep in mind that we don't include the totals row or column. So here, there's two ways we could do it manually. I could look at it and say, how many rows have I got? I've got 2 rows. How many columns have I got? Well, I've got 4 columns. I've got 3 degrees of freedom. Visually, what you can do is strike out the last row and strike out the last column, and you are left with 3 degrees of freedom. If you're using your calculator, and if we go to our menu, we've got all the values in our matrix. So if I go, I've put my values in, I'm now going to go to statistics and perform my test, chi-squared, with my expected in matrix B. I'm going to scroll through and execute by calculating them, and then scrolling to matrix with F6. If I scroll to my expected values, I can see, oops, beg your pardon, come back to this screen. I don't need to go to my matrix on this one, but I can see that DF is 3, degrees of freedom is 3. So all that information is there on your calculator.